Hey guys, today the new character's coming. So, are you guys ready for the new character? Well, good, because I will show you him now. So, the new character is Kirby. So, what do you have to say about being the new guy, huh?
Booyah!
That's good to hear. So subscribe to subscribe to my channel if you want to see if you want to see another new character. Like the video and subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Bye. Hope you're ready for the new characters, guys.